Hey everyone, all right, so let me introduce you to the Credit Strategy Guru, and this is for all of you who want to either learn how to repair credit, repair your own credit, or start a credit repair restoration business. All right, all you need is this one tool. So let's get into it. All you have to do is just click the Activate Credit Guru, and once you click that button, it's going to introduce itself to you as well as tell you exactly what it does and how it can help you. All right, it will introduce you to the steps. So step one will be upload your 3 credit reports. All right, and it gives you links to places that you can get your credit report, all 3. And then it asks you to send me your personal dispute info, all of that info, and then legal reminders, things that are very important before you send out those letters. And it just basically, once you upload your reports, I'll break down what to dispute first, engineer your dispute rounds by type, collections, inquiries, charge-offs, etc. Help you bypass the e-Oscar automation using advanced tactics. All right, so it gives you those tactics right there. Would you like a downloadable dispute tracking log? Yada yada. All right, now you can go back, and we also have how do I use this GPT. And this will tell you exactly how to use this GPT, exactly what the Credit Strategy Guru can do for you. All right, and it's going to tell you, you upload all 3 of your reports, you share key details, you let the GPT audit it for you, you get custom dispute letters based on your criteria and your profile, and then you follow the blueprint and you use the tools within this GPT. Also, it has Credit Letter Vault. And the Credit Letter Vault is just that. It has all kind of dispute letters, all kind of information that you can use in order to, get your credit clean and upgrade to a 700 plus credit score, which is the goal. All right. But again, you have to take action. And last but not least, if you like to, well, not last, but if you like to find out ways to leverage your credit and find out ways, like once your credit gets to where it needs to be, how you can strategically leverage that into income, monetize it, leverage it, all of that. This is your blueprint, okay? The 250,000 plus strategically, okay? So it's not any of that hype or anything like that. This has been engineered to strategically and ethically use all of the resources, tools, and strategies to get you to where you need to be. And let's see here. If for those of you that want to start a business in the credit repair industry, definitely. It says launching a credit repair business using this GPT and the DIY credit repair guide that has been installed. It's not only possible, but it's a brilliant move, and it will tell you step by step exactly what you need to do to start that business. All right, so if you've been on the edge, like, you know what, I need a tool, I need something that isn't going to cost me a lot of money, but I want to either fix my credit on my own, learn more about credit, or start a credit repair business, this is the tool for you.